International.
Hey guys, it's your girl Taya back here with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a mini haul for you guys. I recently went to Sally's because they've been doing these summer sales like all month long. So I'm constantly getting these emails and these pop-ups on my phone, notifications telling me that they had a sale. So this time around I actually kind of looked at the sale and was like, okay girl, do you really need product? But you guys, it was a sale. So you guys know I had to go. Anyway, if you guys haven't already done so, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and let's just go ahead and jump right into the video. So you guys, this is the bag that I got from Sally's. So with the Sally's sale they were having a 50% off all conditioners, and you guys know I'm a deep conditioner girl, honey. If I don't like anything else, you guys know I love me some deep conditioners. So that with that all conditioners 50% off, that included the deep conditioners, the leave-in. So you guys know I kind of went in just a little bit. This is a mini haul, so we gonna keep it short. All right, so the first item I got was, and since they're in the same family, I'm just gonna hold them up together. It is the Shea Moistures leave-in treatments. I got the Manuka honey, and I also got the coconut oil. So this one is made with coconut milk, acai, Senegal. I don't know what that is, but I plan on using it and letting you guys know if it worked for my hair. This one is their Manuka honey hydrate and repair multi-action leave-in conditioner. I've seen this on Jeanette J Beauty's channel, so I decided that I really like the way her hair always turns out. She always has the best perm rod sets, and I decided to go ahead and grab these two because, like I said, I saw it on her channel. She always has the bomb perm rod sets, so I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and pick these up. And that's what I ended up doing. Again, they were 50% off, so winning all day long. The next leave-in conditioner that I picked up was the Kinky Curly Not Today, and you guys have seen me use this before. I used this in one of my videos. I think I actually used this in one of my wash and go videos. I'm not sure, but if I can find that video, I will go ahead and link that video above, and you guys can go ahead and watch that. I really raved about this. I love Kinky Curly. If you haven't tried it, I do not know where you've been. This is a OG product. It is not a new product by no means. So if you have not tried it and you still are not sure if your hair will receive this well or be receptive to this, then again, don't forget to check my video out. And again, I raved about this. Really love this product. 50% off. You really can't go wrong. The next product that I have here for you guys today is Bae. Oh, I love you. I'm in love with you. Why are you so good? As I am, you are just so good. Ha! I love this product, as you guys can tell. I really love this product. This is like my favorite. Did you guys hear me? My favorite. Seriously, this is like my favorite leave-in conditioner so far, you guys. I definitely have picked up some more leave-in conditioners that I will be trying on my channel, but thus far I am really loving this leave-in conditioner by As I Am. It's really inexpensive. I think normally the price is around 10 bucks, so with the 50% off this was around $5, no more than $6. You guys know I had to get my hands on it. This is Bae. I love you. I love you. Okay, I digress. But you guys get the point. I love this leave-in conditioner. It has a really nice silky texture. I mean, it smells amazing. Like, you guys have heard me rave about this product time and time again. The smell is really good. The consistency, you guys can see that it's really like clear. If you don't get anything else in their collection, in their original collection, please get your hands on some of this As I Am. When I say this stuff is bomb, listen, I'm trying to tell you, girl, get you some, okay? I heard a lot of good things about this red palm. Oh, we matching. I see you. You're trying to match my drip today. Hey, okay. So I did go ahead and pick up another Shea Moisture product. I actually forgot that I picked this up. This is a new product to me, you guys, so I honestly don't have anything to say about it right now. I will be trying this out and letting you guys know how I like it, but thus far I have heard good things about it. I've seen reviews. This is their red palm oil and cocoa butter leave-in or rinse out conditioners with flaxseed oil. And you guys know flaxseed oil is really good for type 4 hair. Cocoa butter is awesome for the hair and the skin, you know. So yeah, I'm really excited to try this product. You guys know I'm infamous for leaving in my conditioners. I do it all the time with their Manuka honey conditioner. I actually leave that in my hair. I use it sometimes as a regular conditioner. Most of the time, 999.9% of the time, I am leaving this stuff in my hair. So the fact that they came out with this leave-in or rinse out conditioner is just perfect because I already do it. So they might as well have got, you know, somebody told them that we be leaving it in, huh? So they made one for you. Yeah, product. But again, this was really inexpensive. I think it was around $9.99 or maybe $11, no more than 11 bucks. And of course, with the 50% off, it was half price. So again, for the win. And I'll let you guys know, I will update you on how I'm liking it. So far, it's matching my drip. So I'm feeling it, you know. All right, next, of course, you guys know, how could I go in Sally's and not get deep conditioner? That's like going into a buffet and not eating. Like, who does that? Okay. Anyway, so I went on ahead and I grabbed 2 deep conditioners. You guys probably already know. I'm sure most of you guys have seen this on my channel. I had to re-up. I love this Mielle Organics. If you have not seen my video on this, you need to go check that video out now. But wait, finish this video. Don't leave yet though. Please finish this one, okay? When you are done, go and see that video. When I say I love this product, if you don't do anything else, yes, go and get this one. When I tell you, say this product is the I don't know, self. What can I say? It's nice, so just go and get it. If you haven't tried this and if you're not protein sensitive, let me say that first. Like, I would tell you go get it, but if you're protein sensitive, then obviously you probably don't want to grab this product. But if you are suffering from moisture overload and you're trying to get protein back in your hair, I would highly recommend this product. This product is awesome. It does smell a little bit like eggs. That might just be me. It is minty, but at the end of the day, I can kind of smell like the protein in here, and that might just be because I have a sensitive nose. Whatever the case is, the stuff in here is bomb. It's made really well. And don't be fooled by like the 8-ounce container. If you're not super heavy-handed, again, I repeat, if you're not super heavy-handed, then you probably could get about 3 uses out of this. Now, if you heavy-handed like some people out here, I have guilt of this too. Overusing product. But if you're not as heavy-handed as I am sometimes, then you can get about 3 uses out of this. If you heavy-handed, girl, then you're gonna need to grab 2 jars. But in the meantime, definitely get at least 1 jar. Last but not least, I was just talking about this product, the Shea Moistures Manuka Honey Conditioner, and this is their mask to that same conditioner. So you guys know that I love this mask. I think I showed this in my last haul when I went and I bought some product from either Sally's or CVS, whenever I did my last haul, I picked this up. I have since used this. I'm almost out, so I had to go ahead and re-up on this. If you guys have not already tried it and you're suffering from like the opposite of moisture overload, if you're suffering from dry hair, then you might want to try this. If you guys haven't tried their JBCO one, then you probably should try that too, but this is definitely made for moisture. This is their Manuka Honey and Referral Oil Intensive Hydration Hair Mask. So it is intensive hydration. So some of you guys are always like, how do I keep my hair nice and moisturized? Get you some of this, girl. Add a little bit of olive oil or something to it if you need to, because sometimes you need to add that little olive oil to get your hair nice and straight. And yeah, well, nice and moisturized, not straight. Y'all know what I mean, right? Yeah, y'all get it? Okay. Anyway, make sure you add some oils into your hair if your hair is not doing really well with your deep conditioners. Also, a tip, sit under the dryer with a plastic cap for about 15 to 20 minutes. You can even sit for 30 minutes, and that should help you get your hair nice and moisturized. So yeah, guys, this is the last product that I picked up. I just wanted to come on here really quickly and share my purchases from Sally's when they had their recent 50% off conditioner sale. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I'll talk to you guys in the next one, and you guys know what to do. Stay blessed.